Hello children, let's learn the color's name. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color red. It spells R-E-D, red. Red is an apple. Red is a car. Red is a rose. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color green. It spells G-R-E-E-N, green. Green is a cucumber. Green is a peas. Green is a parrot. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color yellow. It spells Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Yellow is a banana. Yellow is a sunflower. Yellow is a mango. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color orange. It spells O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Orange is a pencil. Orange is a papaya. Orange is an orange. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color black. It spells B-L-A-C-K, black. Black is a t-shirt. Black is a dog. Black is a crow. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color pink. It spells P-I-N-K, pink. Pink is a butterfly. Pink is a rose. Pink is a lotus. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color brown. It spells B-R-O-W-N, brown. Brown is a hen. Brown is a cake. Brown is a dog. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color blue. It spells B-L-U-E, blue. Blue is a school bag. Blue is a sea. Blue is a sky. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color white. It spells W-H-I-T-E, white. White is a milk. White is a cat. White is a swan. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color violet. It spells V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. Violet is a brinjal. Violet is a flowers. Which color is this? Yes, this is the color grey. It spells G-R-A-Y, grey. Grey is a shirt. Grey is a rabbit. Grey is a stone. Thank you.